In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer contacts from your phone to your SIM card. Let's get started. First, open the Contacts app on your phone. Once it opens, tap on the menu icon, usually the two dots. Now, go to Settings. Here, find and tap on the option called SIM card contacts. After that, tap on the two dots in the top right corner and select Import. Now, choose the contacts you want to transfer to your SIM card. You can select specific contacts or choose all of them. Once you've made your selection, tap on the Import option at the bottom of the screen. Your phone will now start transferring the selected contacts to your SIM card. Once the process is complete, your contacts will be saved on your SIM card. And that's it. That's how you can easily transfer contacts from your phone to your SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.